Thank you. I hope all the people here with the same cases with me, they will fix all. Yeah. Actually, I have baby, 2 years old. We have overstay here in UAE for almost 2 years. Now we heard that UAE government, they make an amnesty. So I think this is a good privilege for us to finish our cases like that. We are so very thankful for the government of UAE because now we can able to go anywhere without hesitation, without afraid to ourselves, because sometimes if we go outside, we don't have these documents. Actually, we're illegal here because we have overstay, but now we are happy. Now we are here in the country.